Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. Today I have made this video to make a protection device or protection circuit for a submersible pump. You can see this is the submersible pump, and I have made a circuit, a diagram. You can see this is the diagram, and I will show you how do I make the wiring and which components I have used to make this circuit. So keep in touch with me. So guys, I have zoomed my cam to this board to let me understand you, or let me teach you with the proper way with a zoom. So I have zoomed it, and now I want to show you the few components which I have used in this circuit. So this is the 120 relay which I have used here, or you can use it here. This is 120 heavy duty relay, and similarly here we can use a mini relay. As you can see, this is the mini relay. I hope you can see it. We can use it like this, and the third one is this on off switch, which is usually used in doorbells. You can see you have to push it and it will return back to disconnect it, like a doorbell. You will use it here. We will turn it on and it will automatically turn it off. It is a starter button, and I will show you ahead the function of this button. So guys, let me go further. You can see this is the pole which I have made with 220 volts. This is the negative terminal and it is the positive terminal. So a single wire of negative is going on directly, as you can see it, from here, and it is connected with this submersible pump. On the other hand, the positive wire is also connected, going on from here to switch off this relay, and from here it is connected with the submersible pump. Now the whole function is started from here. This is another negative wire which I have used with a switch, as I have shown you in a few minutes ago, and you can see from there you can lead this wire to this terminal of relay. This is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. Keep remember that these relays are based on AC volts. The coil of these relays are working with AC volts. So if you provide 220 volts on these terminals of coil, it will turn on the relay and switch will get down and it will pass the volts from here to here. So this is the negative one which I have used from here after this switch, and another wire is connected with this terminal of this relay. This relay is 15 amperes. It is a mini relay, and you can see this terminal is connected with the common of this relay. Similarly, the positive one, you can see I have connected the positive wire with this positive terminal of this relay's coil. So if you provide positive 220 volts and negative from here, it will turn on the relay, and the relay will connect from here to here. This is off position, it is on position. If you provide voltage 220 volts, it will be on like this, and if we disconnect the negative volts, it will be turned off, and this arrow will be shifted to this off position. So whole function is about this relay to turn off the submersible pump when the water is decreased. Now let me show how is it work. If we push this button, the negative will be go on and it will turn on this relay, and similarly it will turn on this relay. So this off position relay will be turned on to this position. So this terminal is connected with a wire, you can see here, which is leads to the top of the submersible pump, where should the water will decrease. As I have shown this arrow is showing the water level. If the water level is decreased from here, the motor will be turned off, and if the water will be increased from here to here, then the motor will be turned on, and it will not turn off until the water will decrease from here, and this terminal will be separated from the water. As you know, I think that the ground negative is available in the water, and the water carries the negative volts and touch with this wire or this terminal, and this terminal carries those negative volts from here to you can see it is connected with this on position, this terminal. So the negative volts will provide a negative from this terminal to this terminal, and this terminal will remain turned on this relay, and similarly the negative volts which are coming from here to here, it is going on and turn on this heavy relay as well. So if the water will turn down, or if the water will decrease or separated from this terminal, then the motor will be turned off, because if the water is decreased, the negative volts will be cut off, and this relay will be turned off, because if we have no negative volts here, it will turn off this coil, because this coil needs negative volts. If negative volts are disconnected from here, then this arrow will shift to off position, so this wire will be cut off. So if you want to again turn it on, you have to push this button again, and if the water level is get up or increased, then this push button will work. If the water level is not increased, it will turn on the motor for a while, for a few seconds, until you push the button. It will turn on the relay. But if you get off your finger on this button, then this relay will be turned off, and the negative volts are not available, because this terminal is not connected with the water. So why I have used a couple of relays? We can use a single relay as well, but the problem is, if we use this heavy relay, single relay, if we do not use this another relay, then the water will decrease and the relay will be turned off, and it is again touch this terminal or this wire. This will again turn on the relay, so it will again and again turn on and off, and it is not suitable for this submersible pump to turn it on and off more frequently, and it will be a cause of damage for this submersible pump as well. So I have used this relay. I have used this relay because if the water will decrease and separated for a single time, then it will turn off the pump permanently. If the water increase and touch again and again to this terminal, the motor will not turn on, because it will be disconnected from here. I hope you can understand my project. And so this relay's function is to disconnect this wire or this terminal from the water. And if you want to turn it on again, if you want to turn on this submersible pump again, you have to push this button for a single time. If the water will increase or touch this wire, the motor will be turned on. If the water is not connected with this wire, so this submersible pump will not run. So this is the protection, as I have shown, as I've written, dry run protection circuit. This is submersible pump dry run protection circuit, and I hope you will understand this project. And if you have any sort of question or query, so please comment me. I will try my level best to reply you, and subscribe my channel. So bye bye for now. So guys, this is my practical demonstration, and you can see the wiring. It is quite difficult to teach you. So you can see here is the big heavy duty relay, and a mini relay is inside in this board. This is the buzzer. When the motor is turned on, it will remind us that the motor is still on and overflow is going on, or we have to keep eye on the motor, or remember it is on. So you can see this is the mini bed switch which I have used to turn on this motor, and if I will turn on it, you will see the relay will be turned on, and the buzzer will be on. So let's see. So that's all from this video. So bye bye for now.